Master, the opening date of school was postponed. Many children stayed at home and lost a lot of fun in games. Do you have any interesting games to teach us?
I'm not good at this, but I recommend you a set of functional exercise, which is both interesting and sedate. It can not only regulate breath and qi circulation, smooth and regulate meridians, but also strengthen bones and muscles and make joints flexible.
Breath in and out. Okay. Lift your feet and get ready. Extend your left side. Look at your fingertips and keep breathing naturally. Extend again. Emphasize our breathing style problem again. Reverse abdominal breathing method. Get your belly contracted inward when inhaling. Let it retract in the middle when exhaling. Press your hands on both sides of knees. Keep knees not over toes, waist and back stay straight. Take back your knees. Okay, bring the left foot together with the right. Keep your both palms up. Let's take a big step to the right side and land heel first. Okay, stretch our hands out and look at the fingertips. At this moment, pay attention to the position of our toes and heels. Stay here for 2 breaths. Ready again. When exhaling, let arm drive the body. Move the jaw away and look at the fingertips. Okay, inhale and hold on. Well, inhale, let the jaw drive the body. And retract your arms back to both outsides of knees. Okay, inhale, keep your knees apart. And take 1 step from your left foot to your right foot. Stretch left side, deer prop type. Imagine yourself as a deer. Keep breathing naturally and retract your head in the middle. Attention again. Our fingers, elbows, armpit skin, and waist and abdomen. Knees, ankles, and toes are in a straight line. Okay, inhale and go back to the middle. The rising deer is straight when inhaling. Well, exhale and sink. Bring your feet together. Okay, ready. Take back your waist and push it to the right. Deer prop type. Look to the upper left. Well, drive your body back, line the middle. Pay attention to our arms, shoulders in the same position. Keep your waist and back straight. Take a deep breath. Look straight ahead, okay? Adjust the direction of our fingers. Imagine the charmingly naive way of bare paws. Okay. Do not move when inhaling at the moment. And when inhaling, let the arm drive the body to extend backward. Hold on. Once again, let the elbows drive our body to draw circle downward. Okay, stop and hold on. Our arms are always in a straight line. Don't relax. Okay, always in a straight line. Yes, very good. Take it back in the middle. Again, let's practice the bear shake type on the right. Prepare to inhale deeply. Exhale. Okay. Draw a circle downward, parallel to the body. And then drive the body back to the middle. Okay, back to the middle position. Stand straight. Okay, let's relax our hands. Okay. Extend away while looking straight ahead. Okay, take it back. Alright, inhale. Slowly lift your hips and stretch your knees. Alright, keep your waist and back straight. Come on, stand on the mat. First, keep the hands hooking around, arms paralleling. And the elbows hooking at 90 degrees. Pay attention to our angle. Okay, come on. Ape lift elbows down, shoulders up. Hold on. Height and jaw okay. Relax. This movement can better practice our Jianjing and relax our neck and shoulders.